Hi there. So today we are diving into a topic that many PR professionals might overlook, and that is how to optimize your press releases for SEO. Now, it's not just about sending your news to journalists or publishing on a wire. With a few smart tweaks, your press release can help your website show up in search results. It can attract traffic and boost your brand's online authority. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so why should SEO matter to my press release? Well, optimizing press releases for SEO gives your content long-term value. When your releases are indexed by Google and other search engines, they can keep driving traffic weeks or even months after publication. Plus, including relevant keywords and links helps search engines understand your brand, improving visibility and credibility online. So, essentially, a well optimized release does double duty. It supports your PR goals and your SEO strategy all at the same time. Now, here are just a few ways that you can optimize your press release. And the first one is to create an SEO friendly headline. Now, your headline should clearly state the news while including your main keyword. Keep it concise, compelling, and relevant to your audience. For example, instead of all product is now available, you can try AI powered analytics tool launches to help SMBs track sales growth. So there's a lot of information packed into your headline, and the reader knows exactly what they can expect from your press release. However, at the same time, do keep in mind that some sites allow for a specific character count. So do keep that in mind when you are creating your press release. And then the next one we have is to use keywords naturally. Now you can sprinkle relevant keywords throughout the body of your press release. This is in the first paragraph, subheadings, body text. We can do this without overstuffing. So think about what your audience might search for. So, for example, if your product is a project management software, include that term a few times naturally. So, if your audience is looking for that specific term, then your press release will show up. And then we've got include backlinks to your website. So, link to your website, product pages, or blog pages or blog posts where relevant. So this helps search engines connect your press release to your site, and it drives referral traffic. However, the top tip here is don't overdo it. One or two links in a 400 to 500 word release is enough. So you don't want to overstuff it with too many links. And at the same time, keep in mind the different distribution site that you are using. Some of them allow only for a few links. Others will charge you per link if you are using a free distribution site. Others will also tell you that you cannot include a link within the first few hundred characters or words. So keep that in mind when you are including your links. And then we have add multimedia where possible. So images, videos, or PDFs can be indexed and appear in search results, increasing engagement. Now, optimize images with descriptive alt text that includes your keywords. So, if you have any images or you have any if you have any videos that you think might be a good addition to your press release, do add it. The more media you have, like the more images you have, like let's say two to three, like one featured image and then one image within the body of your press release, that makes it stand out way more. But don't overdo it with too many images, and make sure that it is relevant to the content of your press release. And then lastly, we have please use a structured, clear formatting. So break text into short paragraphs, use bullet points and subheadings. So this makes your release easier to read and more SEO friendly. So avoid those big chunks of text that's 7 to 8 lines long, and then at the same time don't have a subheading with one line and then another subheading with another line. That's too many breaks within your content, and if it is structured like that, I'm sure there won't be a lot of content or SEO value or value to the reader within that press release. So make sure that you have your press release structured. It's easy to read, it's easy to scan, however all the valuable information is included. So there you have it. Optimizing your press releases for SEO is a simple way to get more mileage out of your PR efforts. By focusing on headlines, keywords, backlinks, and a structured formatting, your news can reach journalists and your audiences online. So remember, PR and SEO work best together. So every release is a chance to build authority and drive traffic.